If you live in a wildfire zone, California, Oregon, Colorado, Arizona, Texas, or any dry western state, creating and maintaining defensible space around your home is not optional. It is survival. And the most effective tool for processing the brush, limbs, and branches you clear is a wood chipper. The chips become mulch. The material disappears. Your defensible space grows. These are the top 5 best wood chippers for fire prevention of 2026. All links are in the description below. Number 5. Great Circle USA 3-inch 3-in-1 EPA and CARB certified, $689. This machine leads with its most important feature for California and Western state residents: EPA and CARB certification. CARB, the California Air Resources Board, certifies engines for legal operation in California. Many gas chippers sold on Amazon are not legal to operate in California. The Great Circle USA certification means you can use it anywhere in the country, including states with the strictest emissions laws. 3-inch capacity, 3-in-1, chipping, shredding, and mulching, and explicit fire prevention use case mentioned in the product description. At $689, it is the right starting point for any Western state homeowner creating defensible space. Number 4. Built Hard 7.5 horsepower, $619. 242 reviews at 4.0 stars. 2-in-1 chipper and shredder. The Built Hard handles the core fire prevention task effectively. Process the brush you clear into chips that reduce fuel load around your home. At $619, it is one of the most affordable full-spec 3-inch machines on this list. Check whether the current Built Hard listing is CARB certified before buying if you are in California. Number 3. F-Cut C 44-inch 9 horsepower, $799. When you are clearing defensible space, you will encounter branches over 3 inches, mature shrubs, small trees, chaparral. A 3-inch chipper will stall on this material constantly. The F-Cut C40 with 4-inch capacity handles it without interruption. 9 horsepower, 201 reviews at 3.9 stars. For fire prevention work in areas with mature vegetation, 4-inch capacity is worth the extra $200 over a 3-inch machine. Subscribe. Fire season preparation content every week. Number 2. Landworks Super Heavy Duty 7 horsepower, $571, 792 reviews at 4.2 stars. The most proven 3-inch chipper on Amazon at this price point. For homeowners who need a reliable machine to maintain their defensible space year after year, the Landworks delivers consistent performance at the lowest price on this list. At $571, it is accessible to homeowners in fire-prone areas who cannot afford to spend more but need a machine that works every time they need it. Number 1. MechMax B 156-inch 15 horsepower, $1,899. If you are creating defensible space on a large property in a serious fire risk zone, the MechMax B150 is the right tool. 6-inch capacity, 15 horsepower, electric start, 4 wheels. In a fire prevention context, you are not chipping a few branches. You are processing the significant volumes of brush and timber that accumulate on a rural western property over years. The B150 handles that volume efficiently, where 3-inch machines would take 3 times as long. 83 reviews at 4.4 stars. Built for exactly this kind of sustained heavy use. Link is in the description below. Top 5 best wood chippers for fire prevention of 2026. All links below. Subscribe and we will see you in the next one.